Well, I haven't made a video in a while, but our gas grill upstairs corroded, got big old holes in it. This company is called Force 10. They're out of business. Mainship put these in. They were made in Canada. So I went online and I found some that were about the same length. So I took off the end piece there, and if you notice the hole, there's a big hole there and a small hole there. So I ground off the spot welds. There's 2 spot welds on this little ring here. So I ground off those 2 spot welds, and then the hole was the same size. Oh, by the way, these come in 3, a set of 3 for 20 something bucks. So my grill upstairs only uses 1. So this ring on the end, I pull off, maybe. Golly. Okay, so that's the proper size hole. So all I did was put that over there like this, and then open it so the holes are exposed. Now that size is the same size as the old one. So I kind of just fabricated this little piece here. That goes on the end, oops, like that. I had to drill that hole bigger for the thermostat thingy. I'll show you what it looks like upstairs. So this is the gas grill that came with a boat. It's got 1 tube, runs in here. Like that. That gets screwed in there. And this little heat sensor thing fits perfectly right there. So I got to get all this screwed in, and hopefully our grill's going to be working again. Okay, so that little heat sensor thing here picks up the heat from these little holes. It had a fitting like this on the old one. That's the electric starter. That doesn't work anymore. That's okay. I just use a lighter. So I removed this. Got this tube on Amazon. Put that heat sink thingy over those holes. This was existing, this piece here, so I just bent it to fit this. Now we're gonna get the gas on, see if it works. See if I can set the phone down. Okay, it's going. Let's see if that little heat sensor picks up the heat and leaves it on. It's kind of windy out here. Yep. It's on. Can't see it, but it's hot. So then I got to put this piece back in. I got a flavorizer shield thing that I ordered on Amazon. I got to go get. It's up at the Dock Master's office. It's working. Awesome. Okay, so there's the new pipe. This just came. So I bought this. Basically just lays in there. It's kind of hot because I was just testing it, make sure it works. So that goes over, heats this thing up, I guess. And then the grill goes on top like that. And that's it. Back in business. And it works. Well, I don't have the clicker. I removed the clicker. But I just stick this in this hole, light it through that hole. I think that piece cost me $25 and I think the other one was 20 bucks. So less than 100, or 50 actually, less than 50 bucks. Got the old grill working again. Works good.